Hey guys, today's video I'll be bringing you along with me as I clean my entire house all day long. But before we get into today's video, I'm excited to be collaborating with a very sweet friend of mine here on YouTube. Her name is Andrea Jean. She is the epitome of motivation. She creates such helpful and motivational content for us busy mamas. Not to mention, her Instagram brightens up any gloomy day you may be having. So, after watching this video, please go over to her channel, subscribe, and watch her very motivational cleaning video. And don't forget to tell her that I sent you. Now, let's get on into today's video and create our paradise at home.
Wait now.
This day I had a full messy downstairs because I did not clean the kitchen the night before and we left for the morning and random stuff was just placed everywhere. So I started off by tackling the surfaces and putting all of the items back in its proper places.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend. And call me anytime when you're at a tight end. You, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through.
I like to run my dishwasher always full, and if I have any overflow, I'll just hand wash those items later and then dry what I can and then put them away so it's just done and I don't have to worry about it. And then after I do all that, I'll clean all the surfaces with my method cleaners that I love using.
I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
These K-cups I got at Big Lots and they were on sale for like $9.99, and I went on a weekend that you got 20% off everything and it came out to be $7.99. So they are very delicious for the price.
Tighter than you. I got you.
You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me.
I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too?
So After I went outside, I actually mowed, and then I came back in, showered real quick, changed, and now I am tackling the living room toy mess. And I also cleaned the little playpen area that my 1-year-old plays in. I did not film that, but I did clean that as well. So the toy pickup train has started.
Where you move, make me blind. You will always be there. There's no doubt in my mind. You will always be there. Heading out to see ya and leave the rest behind.
I wanted to mention, about a month ago, we got this new couch, and we got rid of a lot of the old brown reclining couches that we had. And when we got rid of them, we took down all these gates, and I forgot just how spacious our home is without gates. I don't know if any of you out there can relate, but sometimes baby gates just take away from how big your house really does feel. So I cannot wait until the day that I don't need baby gates anymore. I normally use my cordless Dyson to pick up any dirt on a daily basis, but since I was going to mop this day, I prefer sweeping because it gets into all the corners better than a vacuum. I also used my spray mop this day as well, and this has a removable mop pad. And if you would want to know where I purchased this, just comment below and let me know, and I'll give you that information. But I really, really love having a clean home and a fresh mopped floor. It just feels so nice and peaceful.
You will always be there. Yeah, I know you will always be there. Yeah, I know you will always be. Come on, let me closer to your heart. I'm waiting here for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, I know you will always be there. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you, baby. I'll do it all for you. I'll be enough for you. 'Cause you make me feel like, yeah, you make me feel like, I said you make me feel like.
This little hallway, I've been searching for a runner that is that the pile height is very low because of that closet door that swings out into the hallway. I've been searching for a lighter color rug, a better one. These two green rugs I've had since we've owned the home, and they're just getting worn and torn, and pieces of the backing are falling off of them. But I've been shopping all the good online stores for a really nice runner. So if you have any suggestions, let me know below of runners with a low pile height, because I'm in search for a perfect one.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you and know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing.
I also wanted to update and let you know that we bought a paint sprayer recently, and we are going to paint our round kitchen table very soon. and probably do a little bit of a project in our living room. So stay tuned for a little DIY makeover of our little table and our bookshelves in the living room. You don't want to miss that.
Need another love, yeah. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall.
Before starting to clean, this morning I started a load of laundry and actually dried it, and so I'm pulling out the dry clothes now, and I'm going to fold those in my bedroom. And I'm also going to straighten up my bedroom a little bit. It wasn't very dirty, just clothes lying around, and the clean clothes being having to be folded and put away.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming when I come in home.
I'm always shocked when I do my load of laundry and notice that almost every pajama pair of pants is in the laundry. It just goes to show you that that's what I wear all the time.
We better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get.
If you notice, we kind of don't really have side tables. These are just little, I would say living room tables that you put decoration on. We're using these right now as temporary, but we are actually in search mode for some really good, cheap matching side tables that we might want to update or paint. But we don't want to spend a whole lot of money for the tables. I'm also not quite sure what we're going to do about the bed. We want to upsize the bed, but I love the design of this bed. So I'm still, in limbo with that decision, but we are searching for some side tables. So I just want to mention that.
We only need the two of us.
In our master bathroom, not much had to be done. Most of the time, it's just the wiping of the mirror and the counters that always needs to happen. I have some organization systems that have been, holding up for probably 5-6 years now, and that keeps this bathroom really, really organized and not very messy. It's just, the day-to-day messes from, brushing teeth, washing face, getting ready in the morning, things like that. So if one day I will share my organization under the sink, because it really does help keep a lot of my, little things off the counter. As an ending to this video, I wanted to show you guys where I put that mirror I got way back from Hobby Lobby. It has helped out so much when I do my hair and put it up. It saves so much time and frustration. Thanks guys so much for watching. If you're new and coming from Andrea's channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Please say hi in the comments below and introduce yourself. Have a wonderful day today, and remember to do something special to enjoy your paradise at home.